We are one of the market leaders in our segment and want to become the best B2B e-commerce platform. To grow fast, we have to deliver the best customer experience on all channels. And we have to use the best technology to respond very quickly to our businesses and customer needs.
The initial aim was to increase flexibility and to speed up our development while also making the system scalable. We've built our components with infrastructure as code, which allows us to reuse them across environments and across our stacks while also developing them faster.
Our first step was a straight lift and shift from on-premises at a service provider to AWS. Since then, we have broken up our old monolithic architecture by using more and more AWS components for microservices, containers, and data flows.
Over the last 3 years running on AWS, we've achieved a lot, the main thing being that we handle and own the entire stack ourselves. We started with the obvious infrastructure components like RDS for databases, ALBs for load balancing, and CloudFront for static resources, and also using ECS for running containers. Since then, we've moved a lot of functionality out of our sub-Hybris core system into microservices, and we are now using a lot more cloud-native functionality, including AWS Fargate for running the containers, as well as services like S3, Aurora, DynamoDB, and EFS. And we've built a new storefront with many new services for our customers, including tailored discounts and navigation, which all run on microservices.
We can continuously deploy and test new functionality on all environments with no infrastructure headaches. And we can more easily attract new engineering talents who enjoy working in a highly professional setup.
The migration to AWS has brought Kaiser&Kraft a lot of benefits. We've dramatically improved performance and flexibility by using microservices. An example is that we've cut the time for a full price update by a factor of 30 from several days with a lot of human interaction down to just a few hours fully autonomously. We also use AWS Batch with job orchestration done by AWS Step Functions, and we can run our automated tests that way. We've taken the time required to run these automated tests down from 85 minutes all the way to 25 minutes, and the tests are running a lot more stable now than they have before.
Our new operating model allows us to both scale resources and costs to our needs without wasting staff time. While spending on infrastructure costs in absolute terms may not be much lower, we spend money in a more valuable way to solve business problems much faster.
From the operational point of view, we can offer our team a development and operating environment that allows them to perform at the top of their skills. Using continuous integration and continuous delivery allows us DevOps to solve issues more quickly and have more time available to solve and help our team with issues. Our people work smarter and better together thanks to AWS.
We now have the right tools to keep improving our customers' experience in whatever channel they use. The entire architecture is laid out in a way that works really well together and means we can easily scale every component independently to achieve exactly what we want. The real beauty of the system is not that it reaches an endpoint, but that it allows us to continue to evolve and develop in response to what our customers want. What's great about this is as our business is developing and growing, the architecture can grow with us.